What is the real interest rate on a policy loan? It's very easy to go online and look at the stated rate and stop there and just think that's it. But there's a lot more to consider. But let's start with that stated rate. It's important to understand that when you do take out a policy loan, there is going to be interest that's charged. These loans are not free. But where I see the first mistake typically pop up is that people will compare that rate to other rates that are out there and not do an apples to apples comparison. So if you go to my description, I'm going to give you a formula so that you can look at a policy loan rate and be able to compare it to outside rates that are out there. But typically where the issue pops up is the compounding. With these policy loans, they compound annually for most companies. A lot of the times when you're going outside for financing, these rates, they're going to be compounding monthly, and that's where the issue pops up. So you need to look at the actual interest that's being charged, not just at the rate that's there. I talked about it at the beginning of the video that you have the stated rate when you take out a policy loan. We understand what the real cost is. It's very easy when you look at a bank to look at the stated rate and look at a table and understand here's the actual interest I'm paying. When you look at a policy loan, there's a lot more going on in the background. You have the cash value that's growing, you have dividends that are coming in, you have potential PUAs that you're buying with those dividends, you have a death benefit that's going up, you have other riders that are attached. So depending on things that may happen in life, that may be a huge benefit for you. You also have tax advantages when you access this capital correctly and pass it on to your beneficiaries. Some of these are tangible, some of them are intangible. And so for everybody, that value is going to be slightly different. But this is a real comparison when you think about taking a loan through your policy versus taking a loan from outside sources. All right, if you found this valuable, please like. If you want more information like this, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're ready to take the next step, go to my Start Here page linked in both the description and the comments. In my next video, I'll be tackling whether or not your cash value continues to grow while you access it. I'll see you there.